Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you join us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make this easy, simple bow that you are seeing on your screen. You can use this as a skirt bowl, dress bowl, even you can use this as a head bowl. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, comment, share, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So the first thing you're going to do is to get a piece of fabric. So you're going to cut 21 inches by 12.5 inches. That's because this is how big I want the bow to be. If you want the bow to be longer, you can cut as big as you want. Honestly, there is not really a specific measurement for that. So now I went ahead to cut 21 inches by 12.5 inches. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold it into two like this. So after folding it into two, you have this folded side. Now you're going to take this to your sewing machine and then you run a straight stitch on it. Remember, if you have your material violin or your estee, you can put them inside. You can iron it so it becomes more harder, it becomes more stiff. So yes, then you leave about this 1.5 or 2 inches space while stitching it, so you can use that space to turn it to the right side. So after I was done stitching, you can see, so I'm just going to flip it to the right side with that space that I left earlier. So I'm just going to take my screwdriver and use this to flip it to the right side. So now this is what I have after flipping it to the right side. You can see the space, so I'm just going to go ahead and close that space. So now after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to iron it out. Remember, I said if you have your stay, I didn't put any stay on this one because the fabric it's called stretch fabric. It's had like lot of starch, so I don't need to put any stay. So now the next thing to do is to fold it into two and get the midpoint of it. So I just quickly use my iron to get that. Now I'm going to thread my needle. I made sure that my needle is folded into four so it can become thick. And then I'm threading it in a way that I'll be able to pull this when I finish threading. So that's basically what I am doing now. I'm just threading it and leaving a whole space so that I can pull. You guys can see what I'm talking about. So you see, it's easy for me to pull because I threaded it in a gather's way. So now after doing that, I'm just going to use my thread to hold my bow together like this. So just watch what I'm doing. This video is very easy and it is very straightforward. So after folding it, after I use my thread to hold them together, I'm just tying it by securing it so it doesn't loosen up or come off. So I'm just threading it like this, making sure that the knot is tight very well. So that's just basically what I am doing now. So after I was done tying it, I just went ahead to cut the thread off so you guys can see what we have. You see the bow is already intact. So yes, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside while we work on the rope of the bow. So now I have this piece of fabric. So for the rope of the bow, you can cut this any shape that you want. Like I said, there is no specific measurement for cutting a bow. It just depends on what you want. So in this case, I had to cut out 16 inches long. And for the shape, you can go ahead to do any shape of your choice, honestly. So for me, I'm just folding it into two like this. And then I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and run a straight stitch on the wrong side, just like this. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other bow or belt, whatever we want to call it, this rope. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and flip this to the right side. Remember, we stitched this on the wrong side, so I'll just turn this to the right side and then iron it out. So this is what I have after ironing everything out. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold this part that I'm showing you guys. So what I'm going to do is to push this one inside just like the way I'm doing on the screen, and take it to the sewing machine and just run a straight stitch across that. So I'm going to do that for the 2 belts. And after stitching, we move to the next step. We're almost done. This is just a very simple and easy tutorial. So now that I have done that, the next thing is to just, place these belts however I want it to be. So I'm just trying to see if I'm going on with this shape, you understand? And then before that, I'm going to cut like a piece of fabric. I'm going to cut like a piece of fabric, just like what you guys are saying now. I'll go ahead and cut this out in order to cover. Remember when we were doing this bowl earlier, I used my needle and thread to gather the middle part in order to get the bow shape. So I'm going to use this piece of fabric to cover that part that you are seeing. Then after that, I'm just going to use my needle and thread to attach the belt together with the bow. And that is what I am doing right now. All you need to do is just to take your needle and thread, use it to attach your belt together with a bow, however you want it, whatever shape that you want. And that's just basically it about this easy and simple tutorial that you guys are seeing. This is the finished look. You can see how beautiful it is. So that's just basically it about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get to know anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.